Okay guys, today is Tuesday. Yeah, that's the day it is. And I had told you yesterday that I was going to be doing the meatballs, potatoes, and onions with y'all for supper tonight. And it's now 4 o'clock, a little after, and I have not recorded anything all day. I have been recording, well, no, I haven't recorded anything for this video. I've been recording planner videos, I've been doing laundry, I've been doing tasks. I ordered my mama her Mother's Day gift and just been doing other stuff. I have not recorded anything. And I thawed the ground beef for supper tonight. And I didn't microwave it or anything like that. I just let it thaw naturally. And then whenever it came time to cook supper, I came over here and looked in the refrigerator and noticed that there's quite a bit in there still. A lot of leftovers. And I don't want those to go to waste. I need to have space in my refrigerator. So I've decided to put off that dinner tonight, have leftovers tonight, and I will just share with you guys. I've got to fold a whole bunch of clothes, and like I think I said, I washed clothes today. I did laundry anyway. I've got to fold a whole bunch of clothes, and I need to get this cleaned out because, well, I'm cleaning it out now, but there are things that are in here that if we only had one refrigerator, it'd be fine, but we have two. And the other one is supposed to be for things that we use, but not like every week or every day. That refrigerator is supposed to be for things we just use sometimes, or really big things, or our overstock. There are things that are in here that we don't use much, that we really need to put out there so that we can have more space in here. Plus, I'm thinking that I want to use this shelf, which y'all can't really see. This shelf, try it for the fruits and vegetables, or else this one, because they are freezing even in the bottom. I don't know if it's going to work or not. I'm going to talk to Jeff about it, and I'm going to see if he'll help me figure out what needs to go out there and what needs to stay in here. But I'm going to just do that with you guys today, and I don't know what else, but I won't be cooking. Jeff did eat all of the snack that I had made the other day, that peanut butter Rice Krispie treats that I shared with y'all. He finished that off today, but he said he didn't want me to make anything. He just wants to eat some of that, like the Gardetto's pub mix or whatever it's called, the snack mix. He just wants that for this week. He doesn't want me to cook anything sweet or anything like that, and that's fine. I don't have a problem with that. And Noah, I don't think he wants anything either. Plus we have oranges, and I hope that we can maybe get the watermelon cut today or tomorrow so it can be in the refrigerator. But we have to make space. But I did just make space by taking this stuff out. But this is in here, the ground beef that's thawed. It should be thawed by now. But it's just going to hang out in the refrigerator for now until tomorrow. And that's fine. It's not going to hurt anything. So I also need to clean the kitchen because, as you can see, there are the Instant Pot. I still have to wash the salad spinner. This is the pan that I had those Rice Krispie treats, the whatchamacallit treats in. I need to get all that cleaned up. The sink has dirty dishes, and I have clean dishes in the dishwasher. So I'm going to do some things with you guys. It's just not going to be what I had planned. And I'm not going to be cooking anything today, as far as I know. Who knows? It may happen, but I don't think so. So, let me get all this heated up and get us fed, and I'll be back. Okay, so Noah emptied the dishwasher for us, and I'm about to, he did reload a little bit that had fallen onto the floor while he was unloading. But anyways, I'm going to reload it. And we may not have the meatballs and potatoes tomorrow night because we're supposed to go fishing and we want a fast meal for that. So we're probably going to take that ground beef and just do tacos because that's quick. That's all we'd have to do was cook the ground, make the taco meat. And we already have the shrimp that's already cooked, so all I'd have to do was season it and heat it through. Or just use the other pack of shrimp that's not cooked and cook it. So they can have shrimp tacos or shrimp and beef, whichever one they want, or both, or whatever. And I have beef taco, I have a taco salad. So that's probably what we're gonna do tomorrow night. Either way, we're gonna use that beef for one or the other. So I'm gonna load the dishwasher, and then we're gonna get the refrigerator done, and then I'll fold clothes, even though I really don't want to today. I'm gonna do it because I need to.
Drive the same roads every day. We both get there our own way. Thistle and an apple tree, how different two souls can be. But we both grow from the same sorrow. If we both know we'll be together tomorrow, I can be like a tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, turning to understand and sway together. Now it's almost like a dance, the rendering of stubbornness, and it just cuts us deeper through the longer I'm away from you. Yeah, we fight good, we make love better. If we both know we'll be together forever, I can be like the tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, learning to understand and sway together. Nothing worth having comes easy, baby. Nothing worth having comes easy, baby. Nothing worth having comes easy, baby. Yeah, we fight good, we make love better. If we both know we'll be together forever, we can be like the trees in the wind. Same old roots, but we can bend, learning to understand and sway together. We can be like the trees in the wind. Same old roots, but we can bend, learning to understand and sway together. Till the end.
Okay, so all of it wouldn't fit, so we're gonna probably have to do another load tonight, but I'm not gonna record another load. We had a bunch of big things, or several big things, and awkward sized things. So next we'll be doing the refrigerator. Okay, so we're gonna start doing the refrigerator. I got my dish pan here so that whenever we figure out what we're taking out there, Jeff can just take it out there. Why'd you jump back? Hey, look what he did to his face. He has no hairs on the sides. It's that time of year. That's what he said. Okay, so there's things behind the tea and milk that we don't use much. So It's heavy. That tea, it looks weak. It looks sad. Sad and lonely. We don't use this very often, so we put it out there. How often do we have tacos? Do you think we should take it out there?
Well, you need tomorrow.
Yes, we use it tomorrow. We can't take it out. We don't really use this. Noah probably forgot that we own this because it's hidden back there. Or maybe he didn't. Ask him, does he want the rest of it? There's not hardly anything left. Like, I mean, to have right now. So, the rest of these things can just stay. The lemon juice, I know you use it. And the salad dressing. And this juice can stay too. Buttermilk is going to stay. We need to use the heavy whipping cream and the buttermilk. I think I'm going to make some more of those 2-ingredient biscuits. Did that even make a difference? What do you mean? There's lots of space back there. Now I can put some of this stuff back there instead. Know what I mean? I think it made a difference. Don't you think it made a difference? Okay, so the other thing that we can take out there is not this. We don't use the jam and jelly that often. So do you think we should take it out there? Stop hitting stuff. We use the pickles. What is that? That's the Wickles pickles juice. You have a pepper still in there. You taking it out there? Alright, we don't use the pepperoncinis much, do we, or do you? How often do you eat those?
Spaghetti, pizza.
Okay, often. Anything over here we need to take out there? That maybe we can put some of that stuff in here? I don't. Yeah, that can go. This can go in the trash. This can go in the trash because that was Selena's, and I don't even know why we've had it here for 9 months and out of date, probably. I didn't check the date. We could put these peppers up here with these other peppers now. Will you move that one? I gotta make that again. Can we put these up there? Will they fit? I don't use soy sauce much. I can go out there and get it when I need it. So that made a difference. What is that? Chow chow. We're not taking it out or you'll forget you have it. Alright, so the next thing is the top up here. I'll put this back here because we don't use it much. I wish I had, well, I guess if I put some vegetables up here, which that's what I was going to try to do, is put vegetables up here because they're freezing in here too. But I don't know if that's going to be enough. But there's stuff up here that we can take out and move to the outside world. There ain't nothing in there. That's frozen. Do what? I don't need it either. I don't know where you got it from. Yeah. Let's put this in here. These can go in a smaller bowl. Bye. Wherever you're going. Put my bacon deliciousness in the door, maybe. That's liquid gold. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get a container for these. I can't think of what they're, Brazil nuts. That's what they are. I think this smaller container would be better to have them in it. My refrigerator's screaming at me. I Alright, so now, I mean, we do use the nuts and stuff, so I'm gonna stick them back over here. And this can go over here. I need to wipe this all out, but I'm not gonna do that today. So, Jeff's cup can go there, and this can go up here for now, because we're going to be using it tomorrow. Will that fit in there? Yes. Do you think we should try to put the fruits and vegetables up there?
What are you talking about putting up?
I don't know, but they keep freezing down here, but I got to figure out what I would put them in. Like, do we just want to let them sit up there? Like, see, this is frozen. I'm just going to leave it in here and we'll use it tomorrow. But, like, we could take, we'll use this tomorrow, too. I don't want it to get frozen tonight, because it'll ruin it. There's lettuce. See, the thing is, I don't really want my fruits and vegetables up there, because I'm afraid they'll get pushed back and I won't be able to see them. But why do we have onion in 2 different containers? But I'm also afraid if we don't, I mean, if they, okay, if they are kept down here, they will, like, this is frozen. Somebody pushed it back over there in the corner, and it's frozen. That lettuce is. And it wasn't frozen as long as it was in the front. You know what I'm saying? These I'm just going to process and put in the freezer, so it doesn't matter if they stay down here for now. But what do you think? I'll leave this down here. See, I don't want my fruits and vegetables separated, but right now that's already frozen, so I'm just going to process them and freeze them in the big freezer. And I don't really know how else to do it. This is for salads. This is flaxseed. I don't think it'll fit in this. It's got air. I can't open it. That can go in there. What do you think?
What's in there?
I don't know what we'll use this drawer for. I guess we could use it for thawing, like, meat and stuff, and I don't know. I just don't want my fruits and vegetables frozen anymore. But now we have all this space up top if we have that there. We could put leftovers up there. What do you think?
My lunch.
Your lunch? You have no lunch for tonight. We have no leftovers. So what do you think? Alright. So we're going to try this. We don't know if it's going to work. But I'll be back.
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light. I found was nowhere near as nice. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Though I fought with my claws and teeth, though I elbowed my way to a seat, there'd be no kind of peace like you beside me. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Nothing's as it seems in the photo. Nothing is as sweet going solo. Nowhere I can ramble or roam change my mind, could slow my coming home. I'm coming home. Oh, I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Okay, so with Jeff's help, got that job done, got both those jobs done. And I guess that's all I have for today because I don't know of anything else I'm doing. Is there anything else we're doing that we're going to record, Jeffrey? What about the garden? How does it look? Tell us, give us a report. A lot of our stuff is missing. Yeah, gotta hoe the rest of it. But how many of our plants, like how many of our peppers are left? It's better to tell how many are left than how many are gone because there's a lot more gone than what's left. 5 total or 5? 5 jalapenos are left out of, how many do we have? Like, we had 12? Yeah, there's 5, less than half are left of the jalapenos. What about the bananas? We don't know. There may be none. What about the rest of it? Tomatoes and stuff. Do we have at least half of those left? Something has been eating them. Stealing them. There's thieves out there in that garden. Pulling them up by the roots. But yeah, something's been stealing our plants. And that has happened before, but not to this extent. We don't know what's stealing them, but something's stealing them. And they are growing. They're just, you know, what's left is growing. Now the onions are fabulous, but the rest of it, I don't know. It's getting too dark to take y'all out there. I should have done that already, but still got to finish hoeing it and stuff. We still have not fertilized it. But yeah, it's been very busy, crazy around here. Like, I feel like I'm always doing something, but I never get anything done. That's the way it feels. And I know that's not true because I see my list that I make and I see that they're, you know, the things are getting checked off. It's just, there's so much to do around a home. You never are done. And that's what makes life go on whenever you're, you know, you don't get bored if you have things to do. So I'm usually not bored. Now that thing's going off. But yeah, we have part of our garden left. I'll bring you out there sometime and show you, but not today. But yeah, that's all I have for today. I know this video was not what I planned. I had planned on sharing with y'all supper. And then, I mean, things change so often around here. Just like I told y'all, we were supposed to have the meatballs and potatoes tonight. I need to change that in my planner so that I don't make a mistake. But yeah, we were supposed to have that tonight, and then I changed it to, we changed it to tacos because we're supposed to go fishing tomorrow night, or tomorrow evening, not tomorrow night. But, and you know, we changed it tonight to leftovers, which meant I could get that stuff out of the refrigerator, and that's good. Nothing was wasted. And what'd you go do? There's 20 tomatoes. Out of how many did we have? What? 22 tomatoes left. See how many we had. Look at the paper. I'll be right back. Okay, so we actually have more tomatoes left than what I thought. So whatever it is not a tomato bandit. There's 20 left. And we planted 24, you said? 24 little pods or whatever, and there's 20 of those left, so that's good. That means the majority of our tomatoes are still out there if they produce. And we have lots of different versions or varieties, that's what it is, varieties out there, so that's good too. But what about those zucchini and stuff we planted? One zucchini. We don't usually do good with zucchini anyway. We were just trying it. We only had 3 of those. What about the okra? 1 okra out of what, 7, 9? Out of 6, we have 1 okra left. But that's okay. We can always plant those from seed. So yeah, that is what it's, you know, what's going on out there. We have potatoes to plant, but we hadn't done it yet. It may not get done. I don't know. But anyway, I'll be back tomorrow, most likely. I don't know for sure. But if we go fishing, I may try to bring the camera with me. I don't know yet. It may be raining. There's a chance of rain every day this week, but we're going to see. But anyway, for now, that's all I have. Thank you guys for hanging out with us today. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and do all the YouTube things. If you didn't, do them anyway. You might like something we do later because they're not all weird. No, they're all weird. They're just not all shorter. Right, Jeffrey? He's confused. He's always confused. Aren't you always confused?
It's weird and shorter than what?
They're not, all the videos are weird. Everything with me is weird. But they're not all short videos. Shaking his head. He knows the truth. But anyway, most importantly, leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you're doing. And remember, don't take any wooden nickels. And be sweet.